2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z for sale in Hartland, Wisconsin 53029. Spread your wings and fly with this 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z. This Class C motorhome is 28 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Triton V10 gasoline engine that sits atop a Ford E450 chassis that offers an impressive 305 horsepower. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z has one slide-out, one 14-foot awning, hydraulic leveling jacks and sleeps up to 8 guests comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chair, cruise control and a backup camera. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z has been very well maintained and with only 8,383 miles, you can rest assured that this 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features includes kitchen, Corian countertops, maple cabinetry, 3-burner stove/oven, convection microwave refrigerator /freezer, kitchen sink dinette with bench seating living room television, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, cable ready sofa, sleeper bathroom, Corian countertops, toilet, sink, outside shower, bedroom, master queen bed, 32-inch bedroom television, storage dresser/closet. Additional options: 32-inch exterior television, basement storage, power mirrors, fog lights, tow bar included, smoke detectors, Onan backup camera with 4-hour stabilizing bar installed, solar controls, 40.9-pound LPG tank and so much more. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class C Thor Motor Coach Chateau 28Z.